dumpster rental service in Boxborough, Massachusetts. If you're looking for reliable dumpster rental services in Boxborough, Massachusetts, Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal is your go-to solution. We specialize in providing affordable and efficient dumpster rentals for both residential and commercial needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation project, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction site, we have a variety of dumpster sizes to accommodate your specific waste disposal requirements. At Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal, we pride ourselves on prompt, professional service. Our dumpsters are clean, well-maintained, and delivered on time, allowing you to focus on your project without worrying about waste management. We understand that every project is unique, which is why we offer flexible rental periods to suit your schedule. Our team is committed to providing environmentally friendly waste disposal options, ensuring that as much of your waste as possible is recycled. With Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal, you can rest assured that your waste is being handled responsibly. To get started with your dumpster rental in Boxborough, Massachusetts, call Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal at 978-635-4226. Let us help you keep your project on track with hassle-free dumpster services tailored to your needs.